Okay, do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What was that?
What do you mean by sausage? What do you mean by sausage?
You literally just counted to 20, and now you're doing this?
No.
Okay, let's do it again.
No, crazy.
Crazies?
Crazy gamers. What do you mean by sausage? What do you mean by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? I see crazies. You're doing crazies.
That's crazy.
Your turn.
No way.
Crazy.
You do it crazy.
Your turn, crazy.
Koda's crazy.
Mommy's crazy.
Daddy's crazy.
Okay.
Hey, I have a joke for you. How many gorillas can you fit in a sports car?
Princess in the car. Princess in the car.
Princesses in the car?
15 princesses in the car.
Okay, thank you. That was a great joke.
Put animals in the car.
I don't know why we put animals in the car. Oh, yes, I do. Because it's funny.
It's funny animals.